Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. Good morning. But what's up to my MVP riders? What's up to you? Shout out to you. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, follow me on all of my social media platforms. Follow, use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. Y'all, Bath and Body Works is doing a super limited edition candle every week of this month. I think it's every week of this month, but they doing it and it's super limited. I'm thinking they probably only sent 1,000 candles to each store. I don't know. I posted on my Instagram page asking people. Only one person chimed in and said something. They said they think the stores only got 1 or 2 cases, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm still at work, but I don't know how many cases they got. I just know I need the candles. Also, these candles is first come, first serve. You cannot call the store and put them on hold, which I feel it sucks. And I also feel like they should have put it online as well. Ooh, she mad. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm at work and one of my co-workers is on 10. But anyway, yeah, I feel like they should have put some in the store as well as online. But I can't understand. I do understand the reason why they're not putting it online, because they have so many cancellations, and that do piss off a lot of people when it. So yeah, I feel like I don't even know where I was. I had to charge the camera, delete some of the footage. So yeah, now I got a little bit more memory. But the candle is going to be in stores only. They're not doing online. I kind of sort of understand why, because a lot of times your candles might get canceled. The collection is limited edition, so it's a lot with that. So, but I feel sorry for the people who can only shop online and they can't get their hands on it. It sucks. It really sucks. And I got a feeling that these candles going to be super expensive on Mercari, considering that it is super limited edition. So I'm here at the mall, so we're finna go in here and grab our stuff and head to the next spot. So let's get it, y'all. Let's go. And also, we're gonna see the new candles, the new collection. I'm not gonna film a lot in here because I really want to run so I could grab this candle. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little small mini walkthrough. So yeah, let's head on in here, y'all. Okay, y'all, as y'all do see, I am here. There's one person that's waiting, but they get ready to open. As y'all do see, she unlocking the doors, and I think it's gonna, we got like 6 minutes. So yeah, and then I forgot to mention that the best of fall candles is out, as well as today, or probably the whole weekend, they got a $10 off sale. Plus we have 10 off of 40 coupon, which we all love. I think it's still a 25% or 20% coupon that's out there. I'm not gonna use mine. I'm gonna save it for later on. But as soon as they open, I'll go in here and do like a little small walkthrough, grab my stuff, and I'm gonna be back out the door. Hopefully all the Bath and Body Works employees didn't buy all the candles. I'm just saying, y'all. So they should be opening up in a little bit, and we're gonna get this walkthrough going. I haven't been in the store in a while, so I was excited to see this new collection, and I really like the packaging. I really like it, and it looks like just about all of these candles is new this season. And again, the packaging is so nice. The bright colors, the fake ribbon, really love the packaging. I was happy to see that it's a lot of new candles coming out for fall 2022, and I most definitely will be getting my hands on it, but it's not a big rush because I know some of these candles will be around for semi-annual or candle day, so it's not a big rush for me. So yeah, this is just a quick walkthrough. I was really just here to get the baking candle. That was really it. I really didn't want to grab too much of anything, so I was excited to see this candle, the weekly drops, and I will be in the store every week, bright and early,
to grab the weekly candles, only if they're new candles. No repackages for me. I'm just saying.
Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car. The battery is dead, of course, but got the bag, and I got the goods. I got the candle, y'all. I got the candle. Candied maple bacon. And FYI, I don't eat pork at all. But it doesn't matter because of, it's just a scent. It's not like I'm finna eat it, and it's not like real, you know. So I wanted this candle. I really wanted to try it. Y'all already know I love smoked scents. So that's what this is. This is like a smoked meat. That's what it smells like. The scent notes in this is crispy bacon, maple brown sugar, smoked apple wood. Yes, yes, yes. You most definitely get that smoky scent. Yes, I most definitely get that smoky scent. I do get the meat. This is spot on. It's spot on to me. Now, I don't know what it's gonna smell like burning. Hopefully it's not like that popcorn candle. Y'all know that popcorn candle, the scent lingers. So this might be a good candle like when you barbecuing, you know, if you want to be outside burning candles maybe, or it's just good to collect. So that's the reason why I had to have this one. And if you don't know when, sorry about the alarm. So if you don't know, when you burn this candle, the label do change colors. It changed to, I think, like a blue color. So yeah, is it sweet? It is slightly sweet. It does have that smoky wood type of scent, but you do get that meat scent. And it's not like it's bacon. It's more, like I said, like a meat scent. And I did get 3. I did grab 3 of them. Yeah, I did grab 3 because I most definitely want to burn them and most definitely have one to collect. Because y'all know my birthday just passed, I grabbed the soap. And this is the Midnight Amber Glow soap. And because they had that new collection out, I did grab, okay, so yeah, my phone, sorry y'all. So yeah, I did grab this one, this apple macchiato, I think that's how you pronounce it, candle. And the scent notes on this one is Washington spiced, the scent notes on this one is Washington spiced apple, a hint of cinnamon, and caramel drizzle. And froth milk. Sorry, y'all. But, you know, something, I'm sorry, I'm just kind of thrown off a little bit. Something happened to me inside the mall. Well, not really necessarily happened to me, but a young lady looked like she was on drugs, came up to me and asked me if I wanted to buy an iPad. I'm like, no. So she went up to these other 2 girls, looked like they like in private school, very innocent to the fact, but I kind of feel like they knew her because she gave them high five and all that old stuff, and she started walking with them. The whole time I've been sitting in my car, I've been kind of thinking about that, like, man, I hope those girls is okay. But they just walked out. They just walked out and I don't see that girl with them. So I'm thinking they probably walked around the mall so that young lady wouldn't follow them, because they most definitely was walking super, super fast to their car. So yeah, so always be aware of your surroundings. I just had to put that out there because I know a lot of times we on our phones and, you know, we're not 100% paying attention, but be aware of your surroundings. But back to the candle, sorry. But yes, like I said, the scent notes is Washington spiced apple, cinnamon, caramel drizzle, froth milk. That's what this one is. Yay, love the packaging. I love this whole award or ribbon or whatever they call it, the best of. I like that. So yeah, I grabbed that one. Most definitely smelled like apples with cinnamon or spices, you know, almost like when you're getting ready to make an apple pie and you mixing the apples and you mixing all those seasonings, well, not seasonings, but those spices, it smells like that. Or like when you cooking that damn, what is it called, like the apple filling. I don't know, I can't think of the name of it, but you know, when you cooking those apples down and you putting those spices, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, all that stuff, this smells like that. It smells like apple with the cinnamon. Yummy. I most definitely don't get no milk type of scent, no. And I guess the caramel is what's really giving it that really sweetness, and then the spiced apples, yes, and the cinnamon, yes, yes, yes. This one, I most definitely will grab another one. This is good. On code, of course. So because I did 2 transactions, I did 2 3-wick candles and 1 single wick, which y'all know I ain't even really trying to buy no single wicks because they are on sale for $8. So in order to get my total up to the $40 so I could use the $10 off, I had to figure it out. So I got 2 3-wick candles and 1 single wick, and I decided to get the blueberry cotton candy single wick candle. And I actually got 2 of these because I did 2 transactions, plus I still had to get some hand sanitizers. There those girls is. So innocent, but whatever. So let's smell it. This smells so good. This smells so good. Most definitely smell the blueberries. Most definitely smell the blueberries. You know what, y'all? I'm using this broken tripod, and I ordered a new one, and it's supposed to be here today because this holding it and trying to do everything with one hand, it for real sucks. But this is good. And to me, I do get the blueberry. But as far as like that cotton candy, I'm not really, yeah, I guess so. But to me, when I first smelled it, first thing I thought about was blueberry pie. It don't really have that same, the crust note, but it's that same blueberry. It's just sweet. This is good. And I started to get the 3-wick, but because they had the single wicks, I decided to just go ahead and grab the single wicks, and I could just grab the 3 wicks anytime. Because I knew I wanted 3 of the baking candles. So I sacrificed the blueberry candle. So yeah, and as far as the hand sanitizers I got Into the Night. I really wanted the Midnight Amber Glow, but they didn't have it in the hand sanitizer. And I got Sunrise Wood, or Sunrise Woods. And then the last one I got is a puppy. We love puppy. So yeah, that's all the stuff I got, y'all. I probably could have did my transaction different. I probably could have just did 3 candles and paid an extra $4 instead of getting those single wicks. I probably could have did that because I think 4 candles will come up to like $48 with the $10 off will make it the $38. So I could have did it like that, but I paid like $34 for 3 candles, for 2 candles, 1 single wick, and hand sanitizers. So however you want to do it, however you choose to save your money is the best way for you. So this was okay for me. I'm satisfied. Yes, I would like to have more 3-wick candles, but it is what it is. Leave in the comments, let me know how many of the candied maple bacon candles are you going to get. Leave that down in the comments. I got 3. How many are you going to grab? Are you going to grab a case of them, or you just good with just having 1? Now remember, yes, 1 is cool, but you got to remember, if you're a collector, if you like to collect limited edition candles or candles that's hard to come by, remember these candles going to be on Macquarie super high. Now, if you want to flip, now is the time. Get what you could get, resell. I'm not telling y'all that's what y'all should do, but if that's your mindset and you in this to win it, you know, you got that hustle thing going with the whole candle things, then yes, I'm just saying, that's just what it is. But remember, grab at least 2. 1 for burning, 1 for collecting, if that's what you do. So, yeah, because you don't want to regret it and have to go to Macquarie and pay $80 when right now you can only pay $14.50. I'm just saying. So leave in the comments, let me know how many you gonna grab, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.